If you prefer my video, subscribe my channel, like the video and tap on bell icon. Dreams are stories and images that our minds create while we sleep. They can be entertaining, fun, romantic, disturbing and sometimes bizarre. Dreams may have some benefits such as helping the brain process information gathered during the day. They are enduring source of mystery of scientists and psychological doctors. Why do dreams occur? What causes them? Can we control them? What do they mean? Facts on dreams. We may control remember dreaming, but everyone is thought to dream between 3 and 6 times per night. It is thought that each dream lasts between 5 to 20 minutes. Around 95% of dreams are forgotten by the time of a person gets out of bed. Dreaming can help you learn and develop long-term memories. Blind people dream more with other sensory components compared with sight. There are several theories about why we dream. Are dreams merely part of the sleep cycle, or do they serve some other purpose? Possible explanations include representing unconscious desire and wishes, interrupting random signals from the brain and body during sleep, consolidating and processing information gathered during the day, working as a form of psychotherapy. From evidence and new research methodologies, researchers have speculated that dreaming serves the following function: offline memory representing in which the brain consolidates learning and memory text and supports the record working consciousness, preparing for possible future threats, cognitive stimulants of real-life experiences, as dreaming is a subsystem of the waking default network, the part of the mind active during daytime, helping develop cognitive capabilities, reflecting unconscious mental function in a psycholytic way. A unique state of consciousness that incorporates experience of the present, processing of the past, and preparation for the future. A psychological space where overwhelming, contradictory, or highly complex notions can be brought together by the dreaming ego. Notions that would be unsettling while awake, serving the need of psychological balance and equilibrium. There are 5 phases of sleep in the sleep cycle. Stage 1: light sleep, slow eye movement, and reduced muscle activity. This stage from 4 to 5% of total sleep. Stage 2: eye movement stop and brain waves become slower, with occasional bursts of rapid waves called sleep spindles. This stage from 45 to 55% of total sleep. Stage 3: extremely slow brain waves called delta wave begin to appear, interspersed with smaller, faster wave. This accounts for 4 to 6% of total sleep. Stage 4: the brain produces delta wave almost exclusively. It is difficult to wake someone during stage 3 and 4, which together are called deep sleep. There is no eye movement or muscle activity. People awakened while in deep sleep don't adjust immediately and often feel disoriented for several minutes after waking up. This forms 12 to 15% of total sleep. Stage 5. This stage is known as rapid eye movement or REM. Breathing becomes more rapid, irregular and shallow. Eye jerk rapidly in various directions and limb muscle become temporarily paralyzed. Heart rate increase, blood pressure rise and male develop penile erection. While people awaken during REM sleep, they often describe bizarre and illogical traits. These are dreams. This stage accounts for 20 to 25% of total sleep time. Dreams are universal human experience that can be described as a state consciousness characteristic by sensory, cognitive, and emotional occurrence during sleep. The dreamer has reduced control over the content, visual images, and activation of the memory. There is no cognitive state that has been an exclusively studied and yet as frequently misunderstood as dreaming. There are significant differences between the neuroscientific and psychoanalytic approaches to dream analysis. Neuroscientists are interested in the structure involved in dream production, dream organization, and narratability. However, psychoanalysis concentrates on the meaning of dreams and placing them in the context of relationship in the history of the dreamers. Reports of dreams tend to be full of emotional and vivid experiences that contain themes, concerns, dim figure, and the object that correspond closely to waking life. This element creates a novel reality out of seeming nothing. The production and experience with a lifelike time frame and concentration.